Hi everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to make a star of happiness. Making a three-dimensional paper star like this is really easy to do by yourself. I'll show you everything right now. We'll need paper, colored, scissors, a pencil, or whatever we need in the color we want. Let's go with green. And we do it. Here are some notes for myself. On one side, I'm taking 2 cm and making the strip 2 cm. Cut a few now. The width of my strip will be paper. Let's go and mark and draw a few away. We mark it. And we draw on the marks. So that we get strips, and now we cut these strips along the line. And now we cut these strips for you neatly along the line. I have already managed to make one green star now. I'll show you how to do it. So we take one strip, this paper strip, and we fold the edges over each other. In this particular manner, we create a little loop here. The left edge goes under the right. Here, like this, you have a little loop. We take the left one. The lid shouldn't be too thick, not too long, so that it can fit in here and peek out a little. Crawled through, and it was peeking out a little. We need to push it in. Here I just show it again. We need to put it in this loop. A line down, a line down. Down. Just align it like this. Here's what we end up with. It should peek out a little bit, since we don't have a very long thread. Here it should be. It should be a small piece so that it can wrap around more. And if there's nothing else to worry about, like this, you just need to wrap this little loop up in shape. Put this one here. Now, the top ribbon, here's what we have on the other side. We lower the top ribbon down. We always lay it out flat, just as it literally lies. Here it is laid out like this, so it lies like this. We aligned it and are unfolding the figure. Here it goes further, we see Roma, we lower it down, just down, also because of this run. It's laying down flat for us. Here we can already see it. Also flat, and again we lower it down along the bend, nothing. We don't change it. We're unfolding it. Again, so on until the end. We just lowered it down. It lays down by itself. We see that there's already a small piece left here. It won't lay down any further, so we hide it into this little pocket. We push everything through evenly to the end and straighten it out. Here is our star. We just need to finish the sides and make its corners just with your nail. This is how we press it down. And it becomes three-dimensional for us. It's very simple. We can see it has become three-dimensional, like this little star. It's all very simple. This is how it turns out for me. If you didn't get it right the first time, I'm showing it again with my last ribbon. Look, we take the ends, we fold them like this. Just like this, we form a loop here, the left edge goes under the right, and we try to go down, 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 so that the small edge goes through this loop and to tuck it into this loop. And to align just along itself, completely down. So this little edge, we slightly lift it up along the line. So we have it, we folded it exactly along the line. It lay down the way it needed to. Now the top one, we fold this ribbon length down. We also tuck it along the line, along this one. So we don't change anything. And gently adjust it with your hands. We unfold the shape and fold it, also not straight. We fold it so that it lays down for us. The client is no longer needed, and we keep doing this until the end. Ribbons. Here we just simply hide the small edge in the pocket. There's just a space here. Everything fits perfectly. There. Fell asleep. Secured it. That's it, the star is ready, we just need to shape it. We shape it carefully, just like that with nails. In this way, we give it the shape of a star. Volume. Everything is perfectly smoothed out with your fingers. All our stars are ready. It's all very simple. Be sure to try it several times. Don't be upset. If you didn't succeed the first time, watch this video a few more times and you'll definitely get it right. If you liked it, give it a like, stay on the channel, subscribe and share with us on VKontact. The name of the fakes made with the help of our channel. Everyone, goodbye.